Don't worry. I'll think of something.
It looks like Eric thought of something.
Hey, does that mean we could start building the Playhouse again?
Let's go.
I thought I heard the old man say,
Hey,
John Kanaka-Naka-Toorai, we'll work tomorrow, but not today.
Hey,
John Kanaka-Naka-Toorai, Toorai, oh, Toorai, John Kanaka-Naka-Toorai, we'll work tomorrow, but not today.
Hey,
John Kanaka-Naka-Toorai, today is a holiday.
Hey!
Excuse me, Sharon, do you have the time?
Here is a message from your Playhouse Safety Association. Never ask for the correct time on a construction site.
Oh, sure. Oh, sorry, Lois. My watch stopped.
John Kanaka-Naka-Toorai, Toorai, oh, Toorai, John Kanaka-Naka-Toorai, today is a holiday.
Hey!
Another message from the Playhouse Safety Association. Always wear a hard hat on the job. The head you save may be your own.
John Kanaka-Naka-Toorai, Toorai, oh, Toorai, John Kanaka-Naka-Toorai, until we get a raise in pay.
Hey!
John Kanaka-Naka-Toorai, we'll work for peanuts all the day.
Hey!
Yet another message from your Playhouse Safety Association. Always remember to find out who's on the other end of your plank.
John Kanaka-Naka-Toorai, Toorai, oh, Toorai, John Kanaka-Naka-Toorai.
Wow! This playhouse is finally finished! Yay! Oh, Elephant, I love Hippy Dippy. I'm not so sure about all those colors, though.
Looks like it's back to the drawing board.
Hi, guys. I was just wondering if you could come over and help us.
I locked myself out and we're having some trouble getting back in.
Well, of course we'll help. After all, that's what neighbors are for.
There. Say, has anyone seen Elephant and Misdemeanor? You know, I think they're inside the playhouse.
Those two have become real pals ever since Elephant figured a way into Misdemeanor's house.
I mean, who would have believed Elephant's trunk would fit through a mail slot? Listen, what do you suppose they're doing in there together?
Misdemeanor said something about helping Elephant decorate the inside.
Uh-oh.
Let's go have a look.
Okay. Wow, look at that. This is
Interesting.
Well, it's definitely different.
Oh, it was nothing really, what with all you did for me. Look, I'm really sorry for all the trouble I caused you today. I guess I wasn't being too neighborly.
Well, we're all good friends now.
Yeah. I think it's time for a party. Come on, everybody. Let's join the big parade.
Come follow me. Come follow me. Put one foot in front of the other foot and follow me. Come follow flag in your hand, a plume in your hat, battalions of brass pass and catch the light. Is there a sight that's sweeter than that? See the pretty lady toss that baton high. Ain't she cute as a daisy? I watch the fellow with the big bass drum go by. Ain't you glad that you stayed? Hear the tuba play that pa-pa, oh my. Ain't it driving you crazy? Now don't you be so darn lazy. You better hurry and join that big parade. Up out of your seats, down off of the stands, out into the crowd, loud with hip hoorays. Come follow the band. Better hurry and join that big parade. Up out of your seats, up out of your seats, down off of the stand, down off of the stand, out into the crowd, loud with hip hoorays. Sound that you'll remember all your days. And when you see that leader proudly raise his hand, come follow the band. Come follow the band.
Skidamarinky-dinky-dink, skidamarinky-doo. I love you. Skidamarinky-dinky-dink, skidamarinky-doo. I love you.
Love you in the morning.
And in the afternoon, I love you in the evening underneath the moon.
Skidamarinky-dinky-dink, skidamarinky-doo. I love you. I love my twirling. I love you. I love you. I love you. Do, boo, boo, bee, do.
This has been a Cambium production.